Welcome to Staying Fit Over 60, where we believe that good health begins with what we put into our bodies. Today, let's talk about refreshing and nutritious drinks that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also promote a healthy gut and aid digestion. Our first recipe is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory goodness, the Turmeric Ginger Tea. Simply mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of grated ginger, a tablespoon of honey, and a teaspoon of lemon juice in 2 cups of hot water. This warm elixir is not just comforting, it's a digestive superhero. Turmeric and ginger have anti-inflammatory properties, making this tea a soothing treat for your digestive system. Next up, the Probiotic Smoothie. Blend together a cup of yogurt with live cultures, half a cup of kefir, mixed berries, a banana, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. This delicious smoothie is a feast for your taste buds and a boost for your gut health. Probiotics in yogurt and kefir support the growth of beneficial bacteria, while the chia seeds add a fiber punch for improved digestion. For a refreshing twist, try our Minty Cucumber Infused Water. Combine cucumber slices, lemon slices, and fresh mint leaves in a pitcher of water. This hydrating concoction is a simple yet effective way to soothe your digestive tract. Cucumber provides hydration, and mint adds a touch of freshness, making this drink a perfect companion for your digestive wellness journey. Craving a tropical delight, the pineapple ginger juice is a winner. Blend fresh pineapple chunks, grated ginger, honey, and coconut water for a zesty and anti-inflammatory beverage that aids digestion. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that supports digestion, while ginger adds a delightful kick to your glass. And for the adventurous souls, why not try making your own fermented green tea, also known as kombucha? With a SCOBY, tea bags, sugar, and patience, you can create a probiotic-rich elixir that supports a healthy gut. Kombucha is not just a trendy beverage. It's a living drink with potential benefits for your digestive system. There you have it, a lineup of drinks to not only quench your thirst, but also nurture your gut health. Remember, it's the small, mindful choices we make every day that contribute to our overall well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Cheers to a happy and healthy gut.